Alright, so today we're going to be adding a aux port to a 2003 Saab 9.3. This requires the Tech 2. I didn't actually know that this car had this option to do this, because if you look at all the buttons, I mean, nothing says aux at all. I mean, it's not there. And this car is going to a 16-year-old driver who, of course, naturally, the first thing she asks is, how do I hook my phone up to the car? And I had to do a little research, found out, figured I'd make a video about it because I'm sure somebody's going to ask. So see that little square box to the right of the power outlet / cigarette lighter? That is going to get replaced with an aux port. It's a kit that I bought online for $55, and it's basically a little harness that you'll plug in, but it says it needs programming required. So I'm going to actually go through, and I don't have it yet, I ordered it, but I'm going to walk through doing it in case anybody runs in with this. I know not a lot of people have a Tech 2 laying around, but if you can get a hold of one, this is going to be the steps that you're going to use. So we're going to go into all. We're going to go add, remove. We're going to go to accessories and aux input. And we're going to add, basically we're going to program the infotainment system to recognize that there is an aux input there. Turn the ignition key to on. It's going to run through a few things, and we're going to have to disconnect it to get security access. Eventually. Turn ignition key to lock. Alright, this is where we're going to have to hook to the laptop. Alright, so here we are on TIS, and we're going to, normally we'd go over here to programming. We've got the Tech 2 connected to the laptop. We're going to click on security access. This should release the security access that the tool needs to do add the aux port. You're probably thinking, why would you need to get security for that? But unfortunately, the way Saabs are, almost anything you want to do, I mean, you would think keys would obviously be security related, but something like this shouldn't be. But I guess they don't really care. They just make it need it for everything that you want to add. It has to have security access. So it's going to come up here. We're going to hit next. You're going to see the screen change. It'll get some lines in it, flash on and off a few times. Still says reading request. It should pop up with the VIN number to the car if this is going to work. And there it is. So we're going to hit next. It's going to basically write it in the tool and release the security access for that VIN number only. And then when we hook it back to the car, it should skip right past the security. So it's enabled now. So we can go ahead and hit finish, close it out. We're going to get hooked back up to the car. Alright, here we are, hooked back to the car. We have to run through this every time because you have to power down the tool. So we're going to put in 03 Saab 9.3 Sport all. Add, remove, accessories. Basically the same thing we ran through already. But it's just where it says checking security access. You're going to, instead of it saying disconnect and hook to the laptop, then it should skip right over it if we did this correctly. And obviously, if you don't have a Tech 2, which a lot of people don't, you're going to have to take it to the dealership. But I just wanted to at least go over the process. I searched online. I couldn't really find anybody talking about it other than, hey, take it to the dealer. I just wanted to show you what's involved, what the dealer is doing when you do take it there. Ignition key to lock. Remove key. Alright, add ECU, finished. So, we're going to exit out of here. And I'm being told, I don't know, but I'm being told that if this works correctly, as it should, basically you should be able to we're gonna let it run through the checks. I'm gonna change the camera so you can see this better. Alright, so if you hit the CD button, I'm gonna hit disc. You should see it come up there. It says no disc available. And if we hit it again, there it is. See, it says aux play. See, that never did that before, so this is successful. So we just gotta wait for our aux cord to come in, and it's good. Thanks for watching.